Hey guys, today I'm going to be reading a book called Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. This is technically one of the first videos that I haven't had already in it.
Pigs make me sneeze.
Gerald!
Slow down.
What do you want to do today?
I want
Yes. A what? A bottle of swim? A hat?
Choo! Sniff.
Are you okay?
I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! Oh, what if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo!
What if you try to sneeze more softly?
Oh, sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then they cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever.
But Gerald!
No, do not speak. It is too late. Choo. Goodbye.
Gerald! Huh?
Slow down. Sniff.
Are you okay, Gerald?
No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo. Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud.
I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold.
A cold?
You are sick.
I am sick. Well, thank you, doctor.
I can't breathe.
Piggy, great news. I have a cold.
Good for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.